Hey, what's up mga ka-positive? Nandito na naman po kami ngayon para pag-usapan ang isa sa pinaka-importanting parts ng aming main engine, ang main engine exhaust valve. Siyempre, kasama ang lahat ng all-star cast ng The Positive TV. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! So ano nga ba itong main engine exhaust valve? Sabi nga nila, this is an essential components in a marine engine which controls the flow of the burnt fuel out of the engine cylinders. Basically, it is the valve through which exhaust gases leave the engine. Ngayon, we're conducting the replacement maintenance. Typically, the maintenance is based on the running hours of each part. So every time it reaches the running limit hours, kailangan na siya palitan. Well, of course, with our available reconditioned spare on board, it takes us 2 to 3 hours to complete the maintenance. Basta, ang pinaka-importante at lagi nating tatandaan, kailangan naka-full battle gear. With teamwork, syempre, and always remember to be safe at all times. So hanggang dito na lang mga ka-positive. Till next time. Basta lagi nyo tatandaan, the world is beautiful outside. When there is
Thank you for
stability
watching.
inside.
Please follow, like, and share, mga ka-positive. Until next time. Let's go!